Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to unlock one of the most powerful hidden features in Windows 11, the Cloud Clipboard. Most people are stuck in the copy one thing, paste one thing cycle. But Windows actually has a built-in vault that stores your last 25 copied items, including text, links, and even images. First, you need to enable it, as it's turned off by default for privacy. Press the Windows key plus V on your keyboard. A small window will appear. If you've never used it before, click the big Turn On button. Now, go ahead and copy a few different things as you normally would using Ctrl plus C. When you're ready to paste, don't hit Ctrl plus V. Instead, press Windows key plus V again. You will see a vertical list of everything you've copied recently. Simply click on any item in the list to paste it instantly into your document or chat. And that's it. You've just supercharged your copy-paste workflow. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.